Hello everyone, I Dr. Nidhi Srivastava as a Associate Professor in Management Department. Today I am going to explain about VIMOSA. Here V stand for vision, M stand for mission, O stand for objective, S stand for strategy, A stand for action. First of all, it is very important to know why VIMOSA is important for the organization. Different thinkers had been given the different views about the VIMOSA. According to Janet Nagy and Stephen Fawcett, VIMOSA is the practical planning process that can be used by any types of organization. We can say it is a comprehensive planning tool that is helpful for the organization to provide the blueprint for moving from dream to action. VIMOSA is helpful to give the answer of these questions. What is the purpose of your organization? How will you achieve it? The VIMOSA process is helpful your initiative, develop a blueprint for moving from dreams to action to positive outcomes for your community. VIMOSA give both direction and structure to your initiative. We can say VIMOSA is very helpful to fulfill the short-term goals and long-term goals. We can say it is helpful to fulfill the vision and missions of our organizations. By creating this process in a group effort, it is helpful to your organization to build the consensus around your focus and the necessary step your organization should take. VIMOSA, we can say VIMOSA is a great tool that is helpful for the organization with their strategic planning process. When we can use VIMOSA, when should you use VIMOSA? If you are going to start a new organization, VIMOSA is very helpful to fulfill the goal or objective of our organization. When your organization is going to start a new initiative, going to take any new initiative or large project, or is going to begin work in a new direction. We can say when your group is moving into a new phase of an ongoing effort, when you are applying for a new funding or a new funder, it is very important under these circumstances that clarify your vision and mission so that any funding you seek support what your organization actually stand for. In short terms, we can say vision means what do you want your organization to become? Mission, why are you here? Objectives, what do you need to accomplish? Strategic means how can you get there? Actions, who will do what, why, when. With the help of this diagram, we can clearly understand what is VIMOSA. If you want to go A point to point B, that is the point B here. Point B is the vision. Means what is the your dream? What is the purpose of your company? Or we can say it is a picture or ideal condition for your community as unifying statement for your effort. It also reminds you what you are striving to reach and guide important decision. We can take example of Amazon vision. Amazon is totally working on the customer centric company. To be here the Amazon vision is to be earth most customer centric company where customer can find and discover anything they might want to buy online. Mission, we can say it is the purpose of the company, why you want to go there. We can say vision is very important parameters for any types of organization. Here we can take example of Amazon missions. Amazon missions is we strive to offer our customer the lowest possible price, the best available selection and the utmost convenience. Here Amazon is mostly focused on the lowest possible price, the best available selection and the utmost convenience. That is very helpful for the customer to achieve the target. While your vision statement inspire people to dream, your mission statement should inspire them to action, make it concise, outcome oriented and inclusive. Your objective should be SMART always. We can say here S stand for specific, M stand for measurable, A stand for achievable, R stand for realistic, and T stand for time bound. Your objective should always be the time bound. Strategy, we can say strategy is the blueprint, and with the help of strategy you can achieve the target of the organizations. Because we can say strategy means what is very important terms for the organizations, or we can say what type of strategy you are going to use for your organizations. Action plan, your action plan is totally based on the proactive and reactive parameters. Proactive, that is the pre-decided. Reactive, that is related to the sudden changes. Action plan is also described to fine tune how the strategy are to be implemented to fulfill the objective of the organization, and these plan are inclusive of all types of stakeholders. The specific step to bring about the plan to action in all relevant areas of the organization or the community.